Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button before you go. Maybe share with a friend or leave a comment. Those all really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page so you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, and all that fun information. But what is it? So today's product is a essential oil diffuser by a company called Salking, and it produces this really cool looking like flame-like light, which is just really awesome. This is the box that it is going to come in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you're gonna get all these little parts and pieces. So let's go over that right now. So first off, you are going to get the instruction manual, but we're going to explain everything, so you won't really need that. You are going to get a nice long power cable to plug this little guy in somewhere. And then you are going to get a little reservoir, which I have filled up here with water. And there is measuring on the side here, all the way up there is 200 milliliters, which is the maximum that this diffuser can hold. But you can kind of pick and choose how much you want to put in it. And then you are going to get the diffuser itself. So let's kind of show you what the diffuser looks like. It's got this solid kind of like this metal laser cut frame with it. And then it's got this frosted insert. So the leaves kind of all glow. There is two colors. This is the bronze one, and then there's a lighter one that are available. And then at the top here is where the steam is going to come out. And then it's going to have that light, which makes it have that flame-like appearance. Now, I want to cover how big this little guy is. It is 6 3/4 inches wide. And then it is approximately 5 inches tall and approximately 3 3/4 inch deep. So that is the overall size of it. Now take off the top here and you can see the reservoir is right here. And then you can pop this little plastic piece off, and this is what's going to allow the steam to build and flow out. But then you can see right here you have the tank. That is where all the magic happens, and that is basically this functions just like a dehumidifier, or a humidifier, I mean. It's going to turn the water into a mist. And then you're just going to drop in your essential oils in here, so that way it's all blended and that smell comes out, which is great. And then down here in the center is all the LED lights that's going to provide that kind of realistic fire glowing sensation. All right, so on the bottom here you have some rubbery feet which keep it from sliding around. This is just the fan that's going to make the pump work. And then that's right there where you're going to plug it in. So let's kind of show you how this is working. So I'm going to plug this in right here. Okay, so we are going to plug it in here. And on the front, you're going to notice it's going to have a timer button. So you're going to press this button to turn on the device. Now it's going to auto turn off. So that's one of the features, because I don't have water in here. So if it runs out, you don't have to worry about burning out the motor, because it's going to automatically turn off and save you from basically destroying the unit. You'll also notice right here on the front, there is a maximum fill line. That is the 200 milliliter line. You don't want to go over that. And then if you do need to drain out the water, you want to pour it this way, so that way it doesn't get into any of the electronic components. Now, once you turn it on, you have the on button. You also can set timers. There is a 1 hour timer, a 3 hour timer, and a 5 hour timer. So let's go ahead and pour the water in here. Now at this point, if you want to add some some incense to it, you can provide the oil. So I have two here. We're going to go ahead and basically put in some lavender smell, something nice, calm, and relaxing. So you just want to do a couple drops of this. I usually do about, if I'm going to fill it up, I'll do about 8 drops. And that'll get it enough to go and basically release that great smell for quite some time. Now, when you're going to put on the plastic lid here, this side is going to go over here. So there is only one way to put it on, which makes it nice and easy. You just push that down nice and tight. And then this just slides over like so, and it is all put together. Now, I will turn it on here so you can kind of see the flame or the steam come out, and then I'll turn on the lights. So there's the steam. It is just starting to come out now. And then to turn on the lights, you are simply going to press this button once, and it will turn on, and it is going to be fully on. Now, if you want it to have like a breathing sensation, you're going to basically press it twice, and then it will get dim and get bright, and then get dim and bright again. And then the third one is, let's say you want to, you run this at night, you can do that, and it will just be this soft, easy, like glow. Now another thing, because let's talk about night, if you're wanting to run this while you're sleeping or whatnot, it is super quiet. I'll stop talking here and you will not be able to hear it. So it is under 20 decibels. It is very, very quiet operation, which is great if you're gonna put it in a baby's room or your kid's room. But yeah, so overall, this is a really cool essential oil diffuser. I really like it a lot. It's really elegant looking, and this whole aspect of the light here is really, really cool. It does really look kind of like dancing flames. At first I was thinking, it's not really gonna give that effect, but I was really surprised at night how well that effect actually was captured with the light, especially with it dimming bright and soft again. It really did provide that cool look. But yeah, so overall, that is the ins and outs of this little guy. So if you are in the market for a diffuser, I totally recommend looking at this one. If there was something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and like I said, be sure to check out the link in the description so you can see the current price point and all that lovely information. But that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.